Hello guys, welcome to my new RxJS series in Ask Nehru YouTube channel. So today we are going to start with the basics, RxJS syntax and operators. So we'll work directly in VS Code so you can see how everything comes together. So first of all, you should install RxJS if you are working in other project, but with Angular it comes by default. So now I have created one Angular applications in which I have created one rxjs.component.ts. Okay, it's a standalone component. So in the TS file we are seeing the visibility. Now I want to create three operators from RxJS. One is off operator, map operator and filter operator. And how I'm going to work that you can easily see. So now this is simple component and the result will be shown in the right side. So first of all, I create one observable. It's very super simple. There is an off operator that should be chosen from RxJS. And what I'm going to emit, I'm going to emit 1 to 10. Okay. Now suggestion is coming 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 to 10. Because of I installed IntelliSense, so it automatically renders. So what I have created, so with the op operator, I'm creating an observable. Observable means I'm gonna emit each element here one after another. So that's the purpose of this. So I created an observable. Then I can do some operations on the numbers. For example, I can multiply each numbers, or multiply only odd numbers. I can multiply only the even numbers, or I can add any numbers. Any kind of mathematical operations we can do if we have numbers. Okay. So now within ng on init, with ng on init method, I mean it's gonna be ng on init is nothing but an lifecycle hook that loads initially. So many Angular developers knows this very well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create modified observable. Okay, modified observable. So here one thing is missing. What is that missing? So I need to keep dollar sign. Dollar sign denotes that it is nothing but an observable. Okay, so I take the observable dot pipe. So within the pipe we can do many operations. So many people familiar with the filter operations, map operations of JavaScript. So it is similar to that. So first I take the filter operator. So my purpose is I want to filter only the even numbers. So I think many people knows how to take even numbers. So just to take the variable, the emitting variables, and modulus of 2 is equal to 0. So it's going to filter all the even numbers. And I'm going to do one map operations from RxJS. We should choose it from RxJS, guys. Only then it will work fine. Okay, so map. So I'm going to take the number and multiply by 10. I'm going to multiply by 10. Okay, so that's all got. We have successfully created observable, and also we have done some operations over the observables. Now in order to print the observables and see the console, we have to subscribe. Okay, now let's subscribe. So what we have to subscribe? So this is an observable, right? This is a modified observable. So we have to keep dollar sign here, and the modified observables, I'm just going to subscribe within the console. Okay, so now if I save, the results will come. The results will come like we have taken all the even numbers, we have filtered all the even numbers and multiplied by 10. So 20, 40, 60, 80 and 10 has to come as the result. So I save it, guys, and let me wait for the result. Yes, as we expected, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100 have been printed. So this is basic operations in RxJS, guys. So please stay tuned for more updates on my RxJS series. So please, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe it and watch for more tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching.